With the Voluspa scented candles, you get more than you might expect. The version we're looking at here is called the Panjore Lychee. Panjore is a city in India that is well known for its beautiful candles, so I think this is a great inspiration. The scent profile here is a combination of lychee, cassis, and Asian pear. The Voluspa candles last a really long time, up to 100 hours, depending on the size that you decide to get. In addition to the pleasant scent, you also get a beautiful piece of decoration, especially if you use the lid that comes in the package. This will actually turn your candle, even when it's not in use, into a little art piece for your space. The candles are made out of coconut wax, and that has two specific benefits. Number one is that the coconut wax burns cleaner than other candles, so it's going to be safe for you, your children, and your pets. The second benefit of coconut wax is that it does a better job of retaining the scent all the way until the very end of the candle, unlike some other scented candles. So if you want a beautiful scented candle that will last a long time and is safe for you and your family, definitely check out the candles from Voluspa. Learn more about pricing and availability with the links in the description below the video. Another beautiful piece for your home is this Dyson fan, space heater, and air purifier. Click or tap the screen right here to learn more about this amazing Dyson product. Thanks for watching.